What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra can't receive text messages. So first of all, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon, and after restarting your phone the text messages issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then check your network connection. So if you're getting low signal strength, then move to a area where you can get good signals. And after getting good signals, if you are still facing the issue, then check for software updates for your mobile. So to check, open settings, scroll down and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now from here, update your mobile software to the latest version, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, the text messages issue will be 100% fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then the last solution is reset network settings. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings option, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will click on reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after this solution, the text messages issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.